This straightforward children's novel has generated over $100,000 in passive revenue. In today's video, I'll demonstrate how to build a comparable business by leveraging AI technology to create everything from the book's core material to its high-quality graphics. So, if you're interested in earning passive income, stick with this video till the very end because I guarantee it will contain useful knowledge that you can't get anywhere else. While browsing Amazon in search of new passive income ideas for my business, I came across this concept. Then I discovered this item, a children's storybook. Okay, so what makes it interesting? After researching, I was shocked by the numbers these sellers make by selling simple storybooks like this. As you can see here, this book has over 2,500 ratings. If we multiply that by the product price of $11.68, the seller has earned approximately $30,000 from this one book alone. Let's check out another one. This book received over 2,100 ratings, multiplied by $11.90 for a total value of over $25,000. Now, the wow factor is that you can publish these books using Amazon KDP for absolutely no cost. Then I replied, okay, why don't I use ChatGPT to write a book that is similar to this one, publish it on Amazon KDP, and create a passive income that earns money while I sleep? So I made this video to assist as many people as I could because why not? I requested the chatbot to generate a title for a kid's book since you need a solid tale concept before you can write a decent story. The first response was The Magical Adventure of Little Dreamers. Okay, that sounds like a very exciting story. We can start with that. Then I asked the chatbot to give me more details about the story, and it replied that the book is about a group of imaginative children as they embark on extraordinary journeys within their own dreams. So I decided to move forward with this because I truly enjoy the concept. The next step was to write the tale outline. As you can see, the chatbot has generated the chapters, and each chapter includes the scene in detail. Chapter 1, The Dream Doorway. Chapter 2, A Land of Talking Animals. And you can see that. Now that we've generated the story outline, we can start creating the actual story content based on the chapters. All you need to do is copy the first chapter, in my case, The Dream Doorway, paste it into the chat, and set the prompt to write a rhythm story. Once it's done, read it, and if you don't like the results, you can always regenerate the answers until you're happy. Then I repeated the process for each chapter, and after a short while, I realized I had finished a story that could be turned into a book and generate passive income without my having to write anything. So if you think about it, it's crazy how fast we came up with the story idea and all the chapters along with the story content. But trust me, we haven't even gotten started because what comes next is mind-blowing. So be sure to click the like button if you have found this video to be enjoyable thus far. We're all aware that even the best story ideas fall short in the absence of illustrations. You could easily pay artists thousands of dollars to complete the illustrations. But what if I told you that you can get every image needed just using AI art generators? The best experience, in my opinion, is provided by Midjourney AI. You'll see that new images are created every second once you join their Discord because the server has millions of users. So what you need to do is start a prompt, enter a /, and then write imagine to create your image. Once you've done that, you may start explaining the image you want to create. Then go back to the tale chapters in ChatGPT that you've already created and replicate the first one. Okay, so now that we are aware of the image we want to produce, we once more type /, imagine, and then the title of the chapter. Once the image has finished producing, 2 rows of buttons will appear as you can see. The buttons in the top row, U2, U3, and U4, are for upscaling your selected image, which entails producing a larger version of it. These buttons in the bottom row labeled V1, V2, V3, and V4 produce 4 additional alternatives that are conceptually and stylistically comparable to the image you have chosen. So to summarize, if you click on U1, the first image will be upscaled. And if you click on V1, new variations of the first image will be created. Because I liked the first image, I clicked on U1 to make it bigger so I could right-click it, open the link, and then right-click it again to save it to my device. Now let's design the second image for the chapter. But first, a quick tip to maintain the original image's style. To keep the same style, copy the picture link first, start the question, and then paste it before describing the new image. I decided to upgrade all the images since I prefer the second version, and in about 30 minutes, I had the illustrations ready for usage. Begin by creating the images section by section based on your story. Now that the images have been produced, allow me to demonstrate how to mix the text produced using ChatGPT with the images produced using Midjourney to produce a storybook that looks professional. First, head over to canva.com and search for storybook, then click on Create a Blank Storybook. Now after that, start by uploading the AI-generated images to Canva. Then you can simply drag and drop your first images into the template. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first part of the story, and paste it on top of your image. You can now adjust the text as you like. You can alter the font's color and style, add shadows and other elements. Canva is one of my favorite design tools because it's user-friendly for beginners, it doesn't call for design expertise, and it's also completely free. When you're done, click to duplicate the template. Doing the same will save you a lot of time because now you can add the new image to text while the style remains the same. After that, all you need to do is replicate the same process in all the chapters of your book, and once you've done that, save the book as a PDF print. Congratulations, you've created your very first storybook successfully, and there's only one step left to start making passive income, which is publishing your book on Amazon KDP. Unfortunately, I won't be able to explain the entire process because this might take a whole hour. So let me know in the comments below if you would like a video on how to publish books to Amazon KDP. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please like and subscribe to help out the channel. Bye.